Hello internet world, and welcome to my full review of the Sternglas NAOS Automatic. This is a dress style watch which is available with different coloured faces. This happens to be the white dial with a dark chocolate brown leather strap. It looks absolutely fantastic, and we'll take a closer look very shortly. The presentation box is very clean and simple. This would make a lovely gift for anyone, and also a really nice addition to anyone's watch collection. So this is an automatic timepiece. It's hand winding also on the side here, and obviously the rotor keeps the Miyota movement topped up. It's a Miyota 821A automatic movement, and you can see it through this really nice exhibition case back. You can see it ticking away there, and the rotor just moving there on its axis. Very, very nice looking movement. I think they've done a fantastic job of this. And if we look at the side of the case, you can see a really highly polished case, 38mm in diameter, 10mm in height, and the width of the strap here, or the lugs, are 20mm. So you can switch these straps out really quickly as well. For another 20mm strap, we've got little quick release spring bars which are easily accessed through these little tiny pins on the back here. Now we can obviously hand wind this via the crown. The crown also pulls out to a couple of different positions. One to allow you to quickly change the date window being at the 3 o'clock mark there. Wish the date window was a tiny bit bigger, but that's purely because my eyes aren't as good as they used to be. But a very legible dial. We pull the crown out to another position here, and we can actually change the time on those hour and minute hands. Hacking seconds, of course, the second hand has indeed stopped, and then we push all the way back in to get the watch going again. A really nicely designed dial though, very, very clean in its design, very crisp markings, looks absolutely fantastic. We've got that sapphire glass on the top there, and of course sapphire glass on that exhibition case back. On the wrist is extremely comfortable to wear, a really supple leather strap, the signed buckle with the Sternglas brand in there as well, nice attention to detail, and of course those leather keeps to keep the excess strap nicely tucked away. The 10mm thickness is not too bad. I'm finding it very, very comfortable to wear, and the domed sapphire glass on the face here looks absolutely gorgeous. It really does give it a nice dimensionality to the timepiece. This is a very nice dress watch, and I think Sternglas have done a fantastic job, and you can check out a link to their website down in the video description. This is a nice dress watch. It's got a little bit of a sporty style to it as well, I think, so you'll get away with wearing this on a casual basis as well, but with a suit and tie on. It looks absolutely fantastic. This has been my review of the Sternglas NAOS Automatic. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.